Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I wanted to share with you the newest Fellow Rose subscription box that I just received. This is a bi-monthly subscription, and there's usually always a kit for a beautiful quilt. So let's open it and see what's in here. That'd be easier to do it this way so I can open it and show you what's in here. Always a good day to quilt. Her boxes are always so beautiful. Cute little ribbon, beautiful paper. And let's see what's in here. This is Welcome Muse. Muse by Three Sisters from Formoda. That's going to be the fabric that's in here. And then there's a pattern, some other things. Let's look at everything and tell you what it is as we go. Here is a little custom needle minder. Cute little package. Oh, that is beautiful. With the magnets on the back. That's beautiful. Let's see. Candy. There's always candy included. Aunt Bee's original best-selling caramels are slow-cooked in copper pots just as they have been since 1978. Okay, what is this? Everything is always wrapped so beautifully. Triangles on a roll, half-square triangles. These allow you to create perfectly accurate half-square triangle units in any size and amount you need for your next quilt. Looks like it's 2-inch finished half-square triangles. And it tells you, you cut your fabric into 6.5-inch wide lengths. Layer 2 fabrics right side together. Pin the paper on top. Follow the arrows. Sew on the dotted dash line using a 1.5 stitch length from It's So Emma. Those are always nice to have. Another package. This is a custom rose cushion. That is beautiful. That's neat. That'll be nice. Another. Let's look at the pattern first, and then we'll look at the fabric. The pattern is Fuse by Area and Ava Quilts. Looks beautiful. Got the half square triangles in it. And see, there are 3 different sizes in the quilt. Okay, let's look at the fabric. And it was in a nice package. Here is, oh, look at that beautiful, beautiful floral. That is beautiful. I like that. Then there's this teal. Oh, all the different pieces. Looks like they are with the fabric. And they're 7 inches wide. Teal colors. I can get them apart. Peach. Love the colors. I may have to go ahead and make this just the way she has it. Oh, I love those colors. Those are beautiful. And this fabric is gorgeous. I don't know if she says how much that she has in here. No. And then this is bluebell blocks for my spring house. This is for something she has going on. It's a quilt along. And then this is the templates for you to make the scalloped edges on the quilt, if you would like it. So that is beautiful. And then there's a bingo card. I always seem to miss out on that, where there's a live that you can go to and then play a game of bingo. But beautiful, beautiful fabrics. I think I'm probably going to make this quilt. It is so nice. And this is beautiful. I would imagine it's handmade. My sister does soap like this. Covers it with needle punched wool. And this little thing, this little pin holder is beautiful. Let me know what you think of this. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that was in the box this month. I will take a close-up picture to show you all these beautiful fabrics. They are so nice. And this piece, I'll measure it and find out how much is on here. The half square triangles on paper are always fun to use. The pattern, beautiful. Pin cushion, and that is wool. Candy. And the little needle minder. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in this subscription box. She also has an advent calendar box that in December, so I'll be doing that one too. So thank you for watching this, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.